سورة الملك مكية. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير.
Blessed is he in whose hand is the sovereignty, and he is able to do all things.
الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا وهو العزيز الغفور.
Who hath created life and death, that he may try you which of you is best in conduct, and he is the mighty, the forgiving.
الذي خلق 7 سماوات طباقا ما ترى في خلق الرحمن من تفاوت فارجع البصر هل ترى من فطور.
Who hath created 7 heavens in harmony, thou Muhammad canst see no fault in the Beneficent One's creation. Then look again, canst thou see any rifts?
ثم ارجع البصر كرتين ينقلب إليك البصر خاسئا وهو حسير.
Then look again, and yet again, thy sight will return unto thee weakened and made dim.
ولقد زينا السماء الدنيا بمصابيح وجعلناها رجوما للشياطين وأعتدنا لهم عذاب السعير.
And verily we have beautified the world's heaven with lamps, and we have made them missiles for the devils, and for them we have prepared the doom of flame.
وللذين كفروا بربهم عذاب جهنم وبئس المصير.
And for those who disbelieve in their Lord, there's the doom of hell, a hapless journey's end.
إذا ألقوا فيها سمعوا لها شهيقا وهي تفور.
When they are flung therein, they hear its roaring as it boileth up.
تكاد تميز من الغيظ كلما ألقي فيها فوج سألهم خزنتها ألم يأتكم نذير.
As it would burst with rage, whenever a fresh host is flung therein, the wardens thereof ask them, came there unto you no warner?
قالوا بلى قد جاءنا نذير فكذبنا وقلنا ما نزل الله من شيء إن أنتم إلا في ضلال كبير.
They say, Yea, verily, a warner came unto us, but we denied and said, Allah hath naught revealed. Ye are in naught but a great error.
وقالوا لو كنا نسمع أو نعقل ما كنا في أصحاب السعير.
And they say, had we been warned to listen or have sense, we had not been among the dwellers in the flames.
فاعترفوا بذنبهم فسحقا لأصحاب السعير.
So they acknowledge their sins, but far removed from mercy are the dwellers in the flames.
إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير.
Lo, those who fear their Lord in secret, theirs will be forgiveness and a great reward.
وأسروا قولكم أو اجهروا به إنه عليم بذات الصدور.
And keep your opinion secret or proclaim it. Lo, he is knower of all that is in the breasts of men.
ألا يعلم من خلق وهو اللطيف الخبير.
Should he not know what he created? And he is the subtile, the aware.
هو الذي جعل لكم الأرض ذلولا فامشوا في مناكبها وكلوا من رزقه وإليه النشور.
It is who hath made the earth subservient unto you, so walk in the paths thereof and eat of his providence, and unto him will be the resurrection of the dead.
أأمنتم من في السماء أن يخسف بكم الأرض فإذا هي تمور.
Have ye taken security from him who is in the heaven, that he will not cause the earth to swallow you, when lo, it is convulsed?
أم أمنتم من في السماء أن يرسل عليكم حاصبا فستعلمون كيف نذير.
Or have ye taken security from him who is in the heaven, that he will not let loose on you a hurricane? But ye shall know the manner of my warning.
وَلَقَدْ كَذَّبَ الَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِهِمْ فَكَيْفَ كَانَ نَكِيرٌ.
And verily, those before them denied, then see the manner of my wrath with them.
أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا إِلَى الطَّيْرِ فَوْقَهُمْ صَافَّاتٍ وَيَقْبِضْنَ مَا يُمْسِكُهُنَّ إِلَّا الرَّحْمَنُ إِنَّهُ بِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ بَصِيرٌ.
Have they not seen the birds above them spreading out their wings and closing them? Naught upholdeth them save the Beneficent. Lo, he is seer of all things.
أَمَّنْ هَذَا الَّذِي هُوَ جُندٌ لَكُمْ يَنصُرُكُم مِّن دُونِ الرَّحْمَنِ إِنِ الْكَافِرُونَ إِلَّا فِي غُرُورٍ.
Oh, who is he that will be an army unto you to help you instead of the Beneficent? The disbelievers are in naught but illusion.
أَمَّنْ هَذَا الَّذِي يَرْزُقُكُمْ إِنْ أَمْسَكَ رِزْقَهُ بَل لَّجُّوا فِي عُتُوٍّ وَنُفُورٍ.
Oh, who is he that will provide for you if he should withhold his providence? Nay, but they are set in pride and frowardness.
أَفَمَن يَمْشِي مُكِبًّا عَلَى وَجْهِهِ أَهْدَىٰ أَمَّن يَمْشِي سَوِيًّا عَلَى صِرَاطٍ مُّسْتَقِيمٍ.
Is he who goeth groping on his face more rightly guided, or he who walks upright on a straight road?
قُلْ هُوَ الَّذِي أَنشَأَكُمْ وَجَعَلَ لَكُمُ السَّمْعَ وَالْأَبْصَارَ وَالْأَفْئِدَةَ قَلِيلًا مَا تَشْكُرُونَ.
Say unto them, O Muhammad, He it is who gave you being, and hath assigned unto you ears and eyes and hearts. Small thanks give ye.
قُلْ هُوَ الَّذِي ذَرَأَكُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَإِلَيْهِ تُحْشَرُونَ.
Say, He it is who multiplied you in the earth, and unto whom ye will be gathered.
وَيَقُولُونَ مَتَى هَذَا الْوَعْدُ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ.
And they say, when will this promise be fulfilled, if ye are truthful?
قُلْ إِنَّمَا الْعِلْمُ عِندَ اللَّهِ وَإِنَّمَا أَنَا نَذِيرٌ مُبِينٌ.
Say, the knowledge is with Allah only, and I am but a plain warner.
فَلَمَّا رَأَوْهُ زُلْفَةً سِيئَتْ وُجُوهُ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا وَقِيلَ هَذَا الَّذِي كُنتُم بِهِ تَدَّعُونَ.
But when they see it nigh, the faces of those who disbelieve will be awry, and it will be said unto them, this is that for which ye used to call.
قُلْ أَرَأَيْتُمْ إِنْ أَهْلَكَنِيَ اللَّهُ وَمَن مَّعِيَ أَوْ رَحِمَنَا فَمَن يُجِيرُ الْكَافِرِينَ مِنْ عَذَابٍ أَلِيمٍ.
Say, O Muhammad, have ye thought, whether Allah causeth me, Muhammad, and those with me to perish, or hath mercy on us, still, who will protect the disbelievers from a painful doom?
قُلْ هُوَ الرَّحْمَنُ آمَنَّا بِهِ وَعَلَيْهِ تَوَكَّلْنَا فَسَتَعْلَمُونَ مَنْ هُوَ فِي ضَلَالٍ مُبِينٍ.
Say, He is the Beneficent, in Him we believe, and in Him we put our trust, and ye will soon know who it is that is in error manifest.
قُلْ أَرَأَيْتُمْ إِنْ أَصْبَحَ مَاؤُكُمْ غَوْرًا فَمَن يَأْتِيكُم بِمَاءٍ مَّعِينٍ.
Say, have ye thought, if all your water were to disappear into the earth, who then could bring you gushing water?